cankle sores.
He's not gonna have cankles.
Shit, he ain't. Look at that.
He's got big feet.
Yeah, cankles. Look at his thighs.
Oh, he's so excited.
Kiki. He's smiling? He better be smiling.
No, he's not, but he's enjoying it. He likes when his feet are kicked. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Don't start crying on me.
Are you blowing bubbles with your mouth?
Maybe he's left-handed because he only grabs with his left hand. Like, are you left-handed? You better not be.
Nathan and I are both right-handed, so.